Getting on the first flight. Be keen on knowing whether we can see the Himalayas on the right side or the left side. I paid extra money for this, so it's better see. I ended up shopping a little bit and yay! We are in Nepal. Say hi to Ramu.
Nepali Ramu.
My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. You know I want him now, 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 now. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. I told him I can be a fighter if you want. I'll be there to catch you if you fall. I can make it.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope all of you are doing well. I am at Bangalore airport. It's around 4 AM right now. My flight is at 7 o'clock. So first thing is, let's go get the boarding pass. I got my boarding pass. Let's quickly finish the security. Let's get some coffee first. Getting on the first flight.
Dear guests, good morning. We are pleased to welcome you aboard Airindia. A special welcome to all our Flying Taxi Starlines members. Our flight AI 513 is from Bangalore to Delhi, and the flight time is expected to be 2 hours and 30 minutes.
Since I was on the morning flight, they provided breakfast and I opted for vegetarian breakfast. The menu consisted of medu vada, kara pongal, sambar, a bottle of water. Along with all of this, they also gave butter croissant and mango yogurt from Mother Dairy. I absolutely loved the vada. It was so good and so crispy, and the sambar especially was just on point. The butter croissant was also quite fresh and flaky.
Dear guests, Air India is pleased to announce 30 minutes early arrival in Delhi. Welcome to Indira Gandhi International Airport, where the outside temperature is 37 degrees Celsius.
Soon after reaching Delhi airport, I headed straight to immigration. The immigration was very hassle-free. You don't even need visa to go to Nepal if you're an Indian. We are at Delhi airport right now and we have a layover of almost 2 hours. So let's go check the duty free.
Photo. Don't forget the way you look me in the eyes, and I keep you in my heart. In my heart is where you are. I still think of you. I want you coming back. I remember when we were staring photo. Don't forget the way you look me in the eyes, and I keep you in my heart. In my heart is where you are. I still think of you, I want you coming back. Call me when you want, baby, I can take it on my heart. Yeah, yeah, give me your love, yeah, yeah. Call me.
I ended up shopping a little bit and now let's just get on the flight.
Give me your love, yeah, yeah, yeah.
Last leg, we are going to reach Kathmandu. Yay! I'm really keen on knowing whether we can see the Himalayas on the right side or the left side. I paid extra money for this, so it's better see.
We all welcome you all on board flight AI 215 Airbus 320 service from Delhi to Kathmandu in Nepal. Regarding flight details, so we shall be covering a distance of about 930 kilometers in about 1 hour and 25 minutes of flight time.
It's lunchtime. Again, I opted for vegetarian lunch. As usual, they gave a bottle of water. There was potato salad, curd, and for main course, there was basmati rice. Along with that, there was paneer gravy and stir-fried vegetables. And for dessert, there was chocolate pastry. My friend here opted for non-vegetarian lunch and they gave chicken tikka masala, rice. Along with that, there was stir-fried vegetables and naan. The lunch was very bad. There was no flavor in the paneer gravy at all and the stir-fried vegetables was yuck. It's the worst thing I've ever had in my life.
Right there on top of the moon, we could sit and do nothing. I wish we were bold to just fly away. I don't wanna care, just be here and I'm good. Okay, miss you like an old friend. Too scared now, thinking I should call up. I'm not.
Dear guests, Airindia is pleased to announce on-time arrival in Kathmandu. Welcome to Trivandrum International Airport, where the local time is 2:50 PM and the outside temperature is 31 degrees Celsius.
The immigration here as well didn't take much time. It got finished in 10 minutes.
आप लोग किधर से हैं? हम तो बैंगलोर से हैं। बैंगलोर? व्हाइटफील्ड, जेपी नगर, कुड़िगेंडी,
विजयनगर
विजयनगर also? विजयनगर, ये वाली विजयनगर से।
आपको पता है विजयनगर?
मुझे मालूम है, मैं 2 साल उधर रहा था।
ओह।
We are staying at this place called Aryatara Hotel in Thamel, Kathmandu. I was super tired and I had not slept for almost 24 hours straight. So soon after reaching the hotel, I just crashed. That's why I was not able to take any videos. And I definitely recommend this hotel if you guys are traveling to Kathmandu. I woke up straight for dinner. Since it was our first day in Nepal, we wanted to try some authentic Nepali food. So we are at Bagan Takali to try the authentic Takali Thali. I've made a detailed YouTube shorts about Takali Thali, explaining what exactly does it mean and what is the food that they give in this particular thali. So don't forget to watch that video. I am here in Nepal for the next 12 days, so there's going to be a lot more videos coming up. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel.